Welcome to Tech It's Simple, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Bigo Live Series Part 18. In this video, I will show you how to remove an admin from your Bigo Live application. If you want to remove the admin from your live stream that you have previously set, first go to the live streaming page. Right now, I am streaming live here, and these are my viewers. From here, find the person whom you saved as the admin previously. Go to their profile by clicking on it. Click on the little Manage option next to the profile picture of that viewer. Once you click on it, options will pop up. There, you will see the Remove Admin option. Click on it, and the person will be removed as an admin. But if you didn't find this option, then there is a shortcut to remove this admin. All you need to do is just scroll down gently from the middle of this live streaming page. Then this window will arise. Here, you can see the person selected as admin. By clicking on that little minus sign icon on the right, you can easily remove this person from being an admin. So, you can see now you have removed the admin. There are no admins here. This is how you remove an admin in Bigo live streaming. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.